Let us look at this problem of descriptive geometry. You are given this figure here and you are required to find the true shape and the true inclination of the shape. So the first step is to get your XY line. Draw your XY line, and then you're gonna start with this line here, which is gonna give us our first point. So we're going to construct this line like that, and then from the XY line you're going to measure 30 going up, and then from the XY line going down you're going to measure 45. So let's do that. Let's do 30. And this is 45. So we can call this point A, can call this one A1. Then we continue to get this point here. We're going to measure 35. You see, from this point going in here is 35. So to get this point here, we're going to measure 35. That's 35. Construct this line. And then from this point going there, you're going to measure 30. From here going this side, you're going to measure 30. This is the point. Then construct this down. And then from this point here, from the center point, going either up and down, the measurement is here 10, 10. So we're going to measure 10 up and down. So it's gonna be 10. This is 10. You can have this as B1. This one is B, then B1 at the bottom. And then from this point here, we're going to measure 50 going up, 50 going up, and 30 going down. So let's do that. 50. It's 50. Then 30. That's 30. You can call this C and this one C1. So what you're gonna do now, we're just gonna join ABC together. And even down here, we join them together. And then now that we have redrawn our shape here, the first step is to draw a line that is parallel to the XY line from this view here. So we're gonna come to our vertical plane, construct this line parallel to the XY line until this point. This point here, you can call it D. Then construct D downward perpendicular to the XY line until it touches this side here. And this point here, you can label it as E. Okay, some little adjustment needed there. Then from this point, you join A1 to E. And then let it go pass by like that. Then the next step, we want to get a line that is going to be perpendicular to this line here. So we're gonna get set square, arrange them like that. So to get that perpendicular line, you can just slide this one down, take this one like this. Okay, let's just check. Set your set square together like this. Slide this one down, and then shift it. Slide this one down, take this one, and then we're going to construct our XY line here. This line here is going to be our second XY line. So to make this less confusing, we can erase this line. And then we can shorten our XY line here. Okay, that's the XY line. That's a line there. That's the XY line. And the next step now is to project these 2 points such that they are also perpendicular to the XY line. So you're gonna put your set square together like this. Align the top set square directly onto this line here, and then shift it to C. Draw this line, shift it to B, then draw this line. All right, then from here, we're gonna take a compass. We're gonna come here, gonna take this point here, A, from the XY line. Measure this A here. Then you're gonna follow it there to the XY line. Then we plot it there. This will give you A, Then you're gonna go to B from the XY line. Take this B here. You follow it to this corner, to the XY line. This is B here. Then you come to the XY line, measure C. Follow it here to the XY line. Then you have C there. Then join A, B, and C together. It should give you a straight line, like that. And the next step is to get another XY line, that is going to be parallel to ABC line. Set up your set square like this, and then bring it down so that this set square is directly in line with this A, B, and C. Shift it up, create your XY line. This is gonna be your XY line number 2. Then keeping it here, shift this one, project this there, project, and project. Then from here we're gonna take our compass again. We're gonna come to this XY line, take this C point here, and then follow it to C, to the XY line right here. This is C here. Then we're gonna come to this point A from the XY line. Take A, follow it to the XY line. Then there's gonna be A up there. You can extend your line. There's gonna be A here. Then you're gonna come here. Let's take the last point B from the XY line. Take B, follow it to this XY line, plot it there. So this point here will be B. So we join A, B, and C together, like that. So this view that we found here, this one, this is the true shape. And to find the true inclination of this shape, we need to project this line here. So we're gonna come to the XY line, join your set square together like this, come to your XY line, align this set square directly onto this line, hold this bottom set square, and then shift this one to this point of C, and then construct this line. Then the angle that you're going to measure here, this angle here will be your true inclination of this shape here. But once we've done this, we are not done yet. We need to find length of AB, BC, and CA. And then we also need to find the true inclination. So let's quickly measure this. Take the measurement for A, then put them there. A 69, CA 69 millimeters, AB 53 millimeters, BC 53 here is 53 as well. So AB is equals to BC. And then the true inclination, just get your protractor like this. This part here, it should lie here, right here. And this one should be in line with this, like this. And then you measure from 0, 20, 21 and a half, we can just say it's 22 degrees. So this angle here will be 22 degrees. Once you've done all of this, you have completed the question, you have answered the question, you are done.